Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You begin by removing friction, reduce light and noise, and set a firm timer for 10-20 minutes so you nap in the light sleep window. Lie on your back or comfortable recline, use a thin blanket, and focus on steady breathing. Once done, make sure to relax your jaw and unclench shoulders. This quiets the nervous system. You will start to drift faster when you stop fighting sleep, so allow your eyelids to close and keep thoughts simple. Count breaths or repeat a calm phrase. Once you feel drowsy, switch to box breathing. Inhale 4, hold 4, exhale 4, hold 4. This slows heart rate and nudges you into light sleep without collapsing into deep stages. Make sure to anchor attention on a single word or breath count to prevent ruminating thoughts. This keeps naps efficient. If ambient noise distracts you, introduce low-level white noise to mask interruptions. You should feel like you're slipping into calmness. Maintain the gentle rhythm and don't chase sleep. Let it come. When your timer sounds, wake gently, open eyes to light slowly or use a soft alarm. Move limbs and take 2 deep breaths. You will shake off inertia by stretching, drinking water, and waiting 5-10 minutes before tackling focused work. This completes the cognitive reset. If you feel groggy instead of refreshed, shorten the nap to 10 minutes and shift timing earlier or later. Make sure you're not entering deep sleep, and check room temperature and caffeine timing to troubleshoot sluggish returns.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.